Good morning, gentlemen.
Good morning, sir.
How are you?
Fine, thank you. How are you?
Thank you very much to give us some time. Can you introduce yourself and tell me what is your passion and how you just reach Jehlem and what is your distance, where you going?
My name is Wolfgang. It's my wife Sabrina. We are traveling together on our bicycle. We started our trip in March 17th and we started in Vienna, all along the European and Asian countries. Our purpose of traveling is to explore country, to explore the culture, to explore people, and just to make our own idea about countries we have never visited before.
What is your distance, where you start this journey, from where you start and what is your end, where you're going to finish this journey?
Yeah. We started our trip in Vienna, and from Vienna to Jehlem, it were about 10,000 kilometers. We cycled, and we think we will go till Bangkok in Thailand or Singapore in Malaysia to finish this year around February or March.
I want to ask you one very important question. In international media, there's a very much blunder about Pakistan. There's a terrorist. There's many things you didn't know about that, and you heard about that. And tell me something. What was in your mind when you just planned for Pakistan?
When we planned our trip to Pakistan, we had the same information as you told us right now. Media tells you positive, negative things about Pakistan, but we just wanted to make our own idea about Pakistan, about people in Pakistan, about their culture, their food, really love, and yeah, so.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
How are you?
Fine, thank you.
Surprise for me, you're going to drive cycle around 10,000 kilometers. Surprise for women as well. What do you say about that?
Well, I think everyone can do it. It's just kind of training. You have to start slowly in the first weeks with just a few kilometers, and you get trained day by day. And
what I feel, you couple just passion for beauty. You find some beauty in Pakistan. What you see in Pakistan?
We find plenty of beauty in Pakistan. We especially enjoyed the landscape in the north area. So in Hunza Valley we visited Shandur Pass, cycled all the way to Chitral. So we really like mountains and rivers and valleys. So in the North Pakistan.
I want to ask you one thing. You have any message for overseas viewers who love the beauty, and you can give any message for who just see the Pakistan by photos, and you can any give the message because you travel all around Pakistan. What is your message for the people who just planning to visit Pakistan?
To take your time. You need a lot of time in Pakistan because, of course, there are the famous places to see, to visit, many glaciers, stuff like that, but there are so many things in between, small villages which are very interesting to explore, to see how people are living, to explore the food. It's also different in different districts, so you really need your time to,
I want to ask you one more thing. You have a future plan to visit Pakistan with your friends. You have a planning for that, something like that?
We do. With friends,
Yes,
we don't know. We really hope that with our journey that we can open some minds at home from family and friends that Pakistan is a beautiful country and it's really worth to come here to visit it. So we both, for sure, we will come back, that's for sure. And we hope that family or friends will do the same and explore the country.
In the last, I'll ask you one question to you. What is your bad experience in this all journey?
On our luck, we had never had a bad experience on our journey, so I would like to just knock on the wood, but good luck for us. It will go on like this.
And what is your best moment in this journey for you?
I'm sorry, but I can't say, because every day is something special. Even if it's a hard day, you can pick out some small pieces, a person who waved to you and bring you a back smile. So it's not possible to say. Too many beautiful things.
What is your plan for now? You know, you're going to on Lahore side?
Yes, we go to the district.
And you're going to cross Wagah, you're going to India. Yes. And what is your plan for India? You're going to discover all India? What is your plan?
We don't know now, but the idea is to go south to explore as much as possible from India, but we prefer just to go to a country and see what people from the country recommend us. For example, we had never the idea to go to Chitral, but so many Pakistan people in the north recommended us, so we went there. So that's the way how we travel. We get in contact with people, listen to them, what they suggest us where to go. So we will see where we end in India.
Anything you want to share with us? Anything for this journey, or anything you feel, something you want to share about it?
What I can really share is that people should try to come to Pakistan just to visit the country, to get an idea about people, landscape, culture, and yeah, just be open in your mind.
And you, ma'am?
Same, the last sentence. Be open and get your own idea. Don't believe everything from media, television, stuff like that. Yeah.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.